Coronavirus pandemic has created a lot of trouble for the world. Few months back, the whole world was desperately trying to find a vaccine for the pandemic, whereas now the whole world is trying to get vaccinated as soon as possible. But when will the world get fully vaccinated? Let's try to find out in this video. Till now, more than 2.19 billion vaccine doses have been administered worldwide, equal to 28 doses for every 100 people. There is already a stark gap between vaccination programs in different countries. A vaccinated person refers to someone who has received at least one dose of vaccine, and a fully vaccinated person has received all required doses of a vaccine. For the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, a person who is fully vaccinated has received 2 doses. While the vaccine does remain relatively scarce globally, most countries have focused their early vaccination efforts on priority group people in their 60s, 70s and older, and frontline workers like doctors and nurses. Now, multiple vaccines have been authorized for use around the world, and dozens of countries and territories have joined the race to vaccinate their residents. The vaccine rollout strategy varies from country to countries. Some have favored vaccinating as many people as possible as quickly as possible, while others have tried to prioritize vaccinating specific vulnerable groups. Leaders at the World Health Organization have emphasized the need of international cooperation in vaccination campaigns, noting that a global pandemic requires global efforts to end it within few months. Pharmaceutical firms have produced hundreds of millions of doses of COVID-19 vaccines, but the world needs billions as far as possible. Companies say they could make enough vaccine to immunize most of world's population by the end of 2021, but this doesn't take into account politically based delays in distribution, such as countries imposing export controls in common with many industrial sectors does not reveal its production capacity. Some 413 million COVID-19 vaccine doses has been produced in the beginning of this year's March. The company projects that this will rise to 9.5 billion doses by the end of 2021. Vaccine production can require more than 200 individual components, which are often manufactured in different nations. These include glass vials, filters, resin, tubing and disposable bags. So this is a very logistical task. Bloomberg has built the biggest database of COVID-19 shots given around the world. US science officials such as Anthony Fauci has suggested it will take 70% to 85% vaccine coverage of the population for things to return normal. Till now, Israel is the country with highest vaccination rate in the world, which is headed for 75% coverage in just 2 months. The US will get there just in time to ring the 2022 New Year. With vaccinations happening more rapidly in richer Western nations than the rest of the globe, it will take the world as whole 7 years at the current pace. But slowly the vaccine manufacturing capacity of the world will increase too. Till now, more than billion people got at least one dose of vaccination and about 500 million people have got fully vaccinated. Currently, Burkina Faso is the country which is least vaccinated with just 200 doses given, whereas China is the most vaccinated country with about 800 million doses given. This was about vaccines. But when will the pandemic end? The question is asked by many, but only few are answered. For this question, how the pandemic will end, the most logical answer will be through rapid and massive global vaccinations, which we already talked about. China's swift and strict lockdown led the cases of new infection to be plummet by March 2020. South Korea had a success story thanks in part to surveillance with individual bank transactions and phone use tracked to identify those who are infected. Such strict measures might not be applicable everywhere, but drastic measures are effective to curb the spread, as shown by analysis from Imperial College London. The second most likely scenario could follow the trajectory most countries are following, enforcing lockdowns and reducing social contact while tracking those infected. How many countries adopted such measures late or even downplayed the severity of the virus? The US wanted to ease its lockdown, while the UK flirted with the idea of herd immunity, but revisited this decision. Sweden, on the other hand, already put a similar concept into practice with mild restrictions and no lockdowns, worrying local experts. So this was our video on when will the world get vaccinated. What do you think about this video? Do you like this video? Please comment down your opinions in the comment box below and also comment your suggestions on the comment box below. Thank you.